welcome back to our channel Finspire Club JAGSoM, and I am Simran, student of PGTM in FinTech from JAGSoM Bangalore. And now we are back with a web series about blockchain. And to understand complicated technology like blockchain, let us first understand its most common application, cryptocurrency. So, are you excited? Let's begin. As the name suggests, it is a currency that holds monetary value, just not in physical form. Imagine you have a special type of money that only exists on the computer. Yes, we call it cryptocurrency. Let's think of cryptocurrency as candies we all love. Just like how can you see how many candies you have in your jar, you can see how much cryptocurrency you have in your digital wallet. But unlike regular money, cryptocurrency is not controlled by a financial institution or a government institution. It's like having your own secret code that only you know and nobody can take it from you. This is where blockchain plays the role. It is a technology which assigns unique code to every cryptocurrency. When you want to buy something with your cryptocurrency, you can use your secret code to send it to the person you are buying from. Just like how can you say give your friend a candy when they give you something you want. And just like how the price of candies can go up or down depending on how many people want them or what is the demand for that. Same lies with the cryptocurrency. It also can go up or down depending on how many people want to buy it or sell it. So, what we have understood so far is cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that uses encryption techniques to secure and verify transactions and to control the creation of new units. Unlike traditional currencies, which are issued and regulated by government or financial institutions, cryptocurrencies operate on decentralized platforms that are based on blockchain technology. Before this, can you think a currency like this? Can you imagine it? Technology can do anything and someone is always there to make it happen. This ingenious technology was created in 2009 by an unknown person or a group using pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. Digital currencies had a common issue of double spending. You heard it right, double spending, which was solved by the introduction of Bitcoin, the famous cryptocurrency. Bitcoin quickly gained popularity among tech enthusiasts who were attracted to its decentralized system and the idea of currency that was not controlled by governments or banks. As more people started using Bitcoin, its value began to rise and it became an attractive investment option. In the following years, many of the cryptocurrencies were developed, each with their own unique features. For example, an innovation, Litecoin, was created in 2011 and its features are a faster, a more efficient alternative to Bitcoin. While another innovation is Ethereum as a platform for building decentralized applications, invented in 2015. Today, there are thousands of different cryptocurrencies in circulation, with a total market capitalization of over $2 trillion. Cryptocurrency has also become a popular topic in mainstream media and has attracted the attention of governments and financial institutions around the world. You must be wondering what are the benefits of cryptocurrency, and as it is demanding so much nowadays, benefits of course will be there. The main benefit of cryptocurrencies is that they allow people to make transactions quickly, easily and cheaply without the need for middlemen like banks. They also offer more privacy and control over your money. Some examples of how cryptocurrencies are used in real life include sending money across borders, investing, accessing financial services without middlemen, and making small transactions. Cryptocurrency also uses encryption techniques to protect transactions and prevent fraud. These techniques make it difficult for hackers to tamper with the blockchain or steal cryptocurrency. Transactions with cryptocurrency can be processed in a matter of seconds or minutes, and the fees associated with using cryptocurrencies are often lower than those associated with traditional payment methods. Cryptocurrency transactions are often more private than traditional payment methods, which can be important for the people who value their privacy, want to keep their financial transactions confidential. It has given rise to new and innovative business models, such as platforms that allow users to lend or borrow cryptocurrency or to earn interest on their cryptocurrency holdings. Finally, cryptocurrency provides a means for people who do not have access to traditional financial services to participate in the global economy, which is particularly important in developing countries where traditional financial systems may be inadequate or non-existent. So we hope you learned something new about cryptocurrency, and thank you for watching. We will see you in our next video.